Today we're showing you a 2013 John Deere 5085M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. The tractor has just over 1,200 hours on it. Nice clean tractor. Four-cylinder John Deere diesel with 85 horsepower. The tractor has been used to do some mowing. You can see a little bit of chips here on the side of the hood. Both left rims here also show a little bit of chipping and paint. It's got the mirrors on both sides, both sides of the cab. Two entry doors in the cab, work lights front and rear wiper as well. Got a very small crack back here in the fender, very minor. Has a telescopic 3-point arms, 540 and 540 PTO. Top link, dual rear hydraulics. Buttons back here to raise and lower your 3-point arms. It's got the Goodyear Radial tires, which are in good shape. Fronts do show a little wear, but they're still very much usable. Got the toolbox here on the side. Inside the cab, tractor's nice and clean. It's got the full air ride seat here for the operator. You can see the interior looks nearly like new. It's got the tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Beside the seat, you've got your two main transmission levers. You've got 4 ranges on the short lever. 4 synchronized gears up top here. It gives you a total of 16 speeds. Loader control, the control console, you've got your hydraulic control levers, 3-point controller, PTO selector and engagement, 4-wheel drive engagement, and your hand throttle. Up top you've got the radio, climate controls, rear view mirror, and sun visor. Up here in the center you've got the differential lock switch, brakes, foot throttle, clutch pedal here to the left. Very clean little tractor. We also have loaders available to fit this tractor. If you'd like to add a loader, we could certainly help you with that. We do also take trades as well as offer trucking and financing. The tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery, so you can buy with confidence. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.